Hello everybody, welcome back.
Hi everyone.
It's great to see the guys again, isn't it, Maggie?
All I can see is the camera, but I hope they can see me because I'd love to see them again.
Oh, well, hopefully we'll see them next year.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go on our
That'd be
vacation
nice.
to visit everybody in Philadelphia.
Yeah.
So, we're going to do the second part of the story.
Yeah.
We did this amazing story about the eagle and the wren.
Yeah.
So the part of the story, just to recap, that we did last week was that all the birds came together in a really beautiful valley to have a big meeting, and then the eagle had the cool idea that there should be a king of the birds. He wanted it to be him secretly, and all the other birds wanted to be king of the birds, and then they asked the owl, which was the wren's idea, which he said very quietly, to decide who would be the king of the birds.
That's right.
So the owl said, let's have a competition to see who can fly the highest.
Yeah.
So that's where we left the story off, Maggie.
Yeah, that's it.
What happens next? We can't wait to find out.
You know what? I'm going to tell you what happens next, but first of all, I have to say one thing.
Okay.
Thanks for the chocolate chip cookies.
No problem.
They were very delicious.
They were delicious. We loved them.
Yeah, I loved them a lot. And another thing.
You're welcome.
Can I tell you another bit of news?
Sure.
Do you know who I met while we were out on a break?
No, who did you meet?
Sunny Dog.
Oh, wow. We haven't seen...
Come on, Sunny Dog. Do you want to see him?
Come on, Sunny.
Do you want to see Sunny Dog?
Will we call up Sunny? Come on.
Sunny. Woo, woo. There he is. Woo, woo. Sunny.
Come on, Sunny.
Woo, woo, woo.
Oh my gosh. Sunny, you're full of beans. You're full of beans. You're full of beans. You're such a good doggy. You're such a good doggy. Sunny is a really, really good dog.
Yeah, he is a good dog.
He's a very good dog.
Woo. Yeah, isn't he the best dog ever?
Give me the paw. Give me the paw.
Oh.
Good boy. Isn't he clever? Isn't that the cleverest dog ever? Yeah, you're such a good dog. You're such a good dog. He's a very good dog.
Look. He can do the out-in pause. You watching? Sunny Dog. Out pause. Sunny Dog. In pause.
Well done.
Out. In. Out. In. Out. In.
That's a clever dog.
Yeah, he's a clever... Yeah, Sunny Dog, we're telling a story, so can you go and sit and be quiet for a minute and we're telling the story?
Yeah, no barking.
Good dog, Sunny.
No barking.
Yeah, he's very good. Okay, off you go. Sit, Sunny.
Sit.
Sit, Sunny. Woo.
Sit.
Good
Good dog.
Woo.
Good dog.
Now, okay. Now, where were we? So, the owl had told all of the birds that it was a flying competition.
That's right.
Yeah, now, so the owl, do we have the owl?
Yeah.
So
I've got the owl
see
here.
The owl, the lovely, snowy, beautiful white owl. Oh, it was beautifully white. Look at that now.
Now,
Here's
look
our
at this owl.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, I just want to pet those beautiful white feathers. Oh no, but it doesn't feel soft when you touch it though. It doesn't feel soft.
Well, if it was an actual owl, it would be super soft and very soft.
Oh, that'd be nice, wouldn't it?
We're very lucky where we live. There's a place where they rescue birds that get hurt, and then we've all seen an owl. Well, we haven't seen a snowy owl, but we saw a barn owl, which was really beautiful, and we got to touch it, and it's very soft.
Yeah, I'd like to do that.
Yeah, I'll bring you sometime.
Well, anyway, so the beautiful snowy owl said, okay, the rules are everybody has to start on the same piece of ground, on the flattest piece they could find. So the owl found the best place to start, and they all had to start on a flat piece of ground, so they'd be all in the same place.
So it would be fair, Maggie.
Yeah, because the owl knew it had to be fair.
Yeah.
And then they all had to take off at the same time.
Whoa.
That's what had to happen.
Okay, and so how did they know when you go? Like when we play games, somebody says, ready, steady, go. So how did they do their game?
Well, so what they did was they had a very, very loud parrot.
Oh my gosh, that's a great idea.
Yeah, and the parrot had learned how to speak.
Oh my gosh.
So the parrot got the job of saying go.
Oh yeah, so how did he say it?
Yeah, well it just was able to say go. So it sounded a bit like this.
Oh.
That's what it sounded
in bird
like.
language.
Like a
oh, that's very good. And then all the birds, what did they do?
And then all the birds, when they heard the they knew it was time to take off.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was exciting.
So the robin, do you know what the robin did? Wait till we see what the robin, because they all had to go and prepare and get ready, because it was, you know what? It was a big event in their lives. Yeah. They were like, they had to fly for like all the other birds of their kind. So
it's a lot of pressure, isn't it? When you're representing all of the other birds of your species. Yeah, that's a lot of pressure.
Very important. So the robin.
Oh, Sonny, you frightened the robin away, Sonny. Sonny, you frightened away and the owl. Yeah, now there'd be no story because you frightened the bird away.
Oh, Sonny, you have to go and sit down, Sonny.
You have to sit down.
Go on, off you go, Sonny.
Go into your doggy house.
Yeah, go
into Sonny's house.
Now, off you go, Sonny.
Yeah, go on now,
Sonny.
Sonny.
Get you a treat later, Sonny.
Yeah, we'll get you some nice bacon.
Oh no, you nearly frightened away that poor.
Come on back, a little.
Yeah, come on back. Don't be scared, Robin.
No, that's okay,
Is
Robin.
its little heart beating very fast?
Let me see. Oh, it's going very fast.
Oh,
do you want to feel it?
Yeah.
Isn't that fast? So they all had to go into training.
So the robin who was flying for all the robins, the robin was a daddy robin. So that daddy robin, he went to make sure that all of the little baby robins had plenty of food.
He's a good
So
dad.
he did a good bit of work picking up worms and making sure there was plenty of food for the robins, but he didn't work too hard. He was a sensible daddy robin and he knew he'd need his energy. So yeah, no, he took his time and he got all of the baby robins fed, and then he was ready to line up with all the other birds.
Ooh.
That's what happened with the robin. And then who else do we have?
We had the robin.
And then
we have my friend, the crow.
Oh, the crow. Well, do you know what the crow did?
What did he do?
Well, wait till I tell you what the crow did.
Oh!
Sonny dog!
You frightened away the birds, Sonny.
Frightened away the birds, Sonny.
We were telling a story, Sonny, and the birds were helping us tell the story. And now they're afraid and they run away.
Yeah, go on, Sonny, go on.
Yeah.
I'll get you a treat later.
Go to bed. Good dog. Go to bed. Good dog.
Oh,
you stay in there, Sonny.
Blackbird, is the blackbird okay?
Come back, Mr. Blackbird. No, he's fine.
Okay.
He just flew away.
Well, they're fairly tough, you know, blackbirds are.
That dog isn't fast, is he, Mr. Blackbird? You can just fly away.
Yeah, you can fly away. That's because birds can fly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, the blackbirds got a bit distracted. Yeah. The blackbirds decided, they heard that a big boat had dumped a load of fish guts on the other side of the valley, and they washed up on the shore. So they nearly got distracted, Tom. Do you know what they did?
They ate them.
They started flying off to go to the other side of the valley.
Oh my
And
gosh.
before they could catch themselves, they were like in mid-flight, and then they stopped and they said, "No, we can't do that, sure. No, because we'll miss the race."
And was the crow that was going to represent all the crows, was he a man crow or a lady crow?
That was a lady crow.
Oh.
She was slightly lighter than the men crows, but very, very, very strong and very fast.
She could perhaps go higher than the
Yeah, she was very, very fit crow. Very fit. Yeah. So anyway, they realised just in time. With the crow, she was a small bit tired, but she didn't say it to anyone. But anyway, so they realised it just on time, and then she came back and lined up with the other birds.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And then, of course, we have our little wren.
Oh, our little wren.
The little wren.
Oh, can I see the little wren?
The little
Can
wren.
I hop on my hand again?
Yes,
I
you
love when it
can.
does that.
Yeah.
Hello, little wren.
Yeah.
You're
Hello,
very
Maggie.
beautiful.
Hello, Maggie.
You're very sweet.
Yeah, we did. Look
I
at
love
it.
how it hops up and down.
Yeah.
So the little wren, that was kind of a pretty, like it was a very smart bird, but nobody realised it.
Yeah.
So the little wren thought, I need to have some power food.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That was a good idea.
So the little wren thought about it, and it had the insects. It had some like little creepy crawly things that gave it the best energy.
Delicious.
Yeah, and it was delicious. And it was that was a mommy wren. But it got the daddy wren to look after the bird, so it didn't have to spend any energy except getting ready for the race.
Great.
Yeah.
So he said a load of like good food,
Yeah.
and then the dad was looking after the babies, so she was just ready to go.
Yeah, and she went and sat in a clump of long grass to shade from the sun and everything.
So she wouldn't be getting like tired by getting sunburn.
Yeah, and also so none of the sparrowhawks would try and eat her.
Oh my
or
gosh.
the eagle.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Well, but was there like while they had this big meeting, was there a rule that the birds couldn't eat each other?
Yeah, no, because that wouldn't be fair.
Yeah.
That would not. That the owl said that. No eating any birds for the competition.
So they were, at least they were a little bit safe.
Yeah.
Yeah, but probably a bit scared.
Yeah.
And then we have our friend, the magnificent eagle.
The magnificent eagle. Look at that eagle. Yeah, and you know what? When I heard this story first, I thought it was sure to win. Like I definitely, like an eagle would have to win a flying competition.
Well,
Look
they're
at it,
so,
Tom.
and their wings, when they spread their wings out, they're like so big.
Yeah, they are.
Like it's so big.
And they're so fast and strong. And
Yeah. Sonny dog.
Sonny, that was an eagle. You could have got hurt, Sonny.
The poor eagle. Well, first off, Sonny, the eagle went away, but that eagle might have scratched you because it's a very big bird. So
Yeah.
you're actually lucky this time that you didn't get a peck on your nose.
Sonny dog. Now stay in bed, Sonny.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Good dog.
Oh, okay.
So, Mr. Eagle, you can come back
dearie.
now.
Oh,
That
dearie.
that crazy little doggy's gone.
Yeah, I'll have to. I just, you know what? I just can't bring Sonny tomorrow. No.
No.
He's too scared.
What do you think, boys and girls? Do you think we should leave Sonny at home?
Yeah. I
But-
don't want him to scare the birds
Yeah.
anymore.
But we like having him around because he's our dog.
I love Sonny dog. Anyway, so the eagle. Well, the eagle, the eagle was a little bit he thought he was too cool. You know what the eagle did, Tom?
What did he do?
Well, the eagle went off hunting for a bit of fun before the race.
Oh, that's a bit cheeky.
Yeah, and it ate a small rabbit.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
And because it said, well, I'm so big and strong, it'll be easy for me. So it doesn't matter what I do. And, so it had a full belly when it started off. I don't think that helped, Tom.
Well, it doesn't. It sounds a bit like he just thought he was going to win.
Yeah.
Well, maybe he will win.
Yeah.
Maybe he will win.
Well, anyway, so all the birds were lined up ready for the race. And then, what was that sound again that the parrot was going to say?
It was going to say, squawk!
It was kind of like a squawk, but more like a quack!
Quack!
So,
Right, right.
Yeah.
Quack!
yeah, brilliant.
Thank
Can
you.
you all say quack?
Quack! Quack!
Yeah,
Quack!
that's what the parrot said. So the parrot said quack!
And then did they start flying?
And all the birds took off up into the sky, Tom. All of the birds took
Like
off
this?
into the sky.
They started going like this.
Yeah, there was the crow took off. The robin took off. Well, the wren did? Nobody noticed what the wren did.
We saw the wren.
Well, it took off into the sky.
So that's where all the birds were in the air. Now, I know you're right in the middle of this story, but we're going to stop it there, Maggie.
Okay.
And we're going to go and have a good big meal.
Okay.
It's the meal time.
Okay.
And then we're going to pick up the rest of the story tomorrow. And you can tell all the boys and girls what happened next.
Okay.
So I'm just going to recap quickly what happened in the story so far. So the owl got all the birds together and explained to them the rules of the race. So the owl got a nice flat place, and then all the birds got together, and before that the birds did some different preparations so that to be ready for the race. Some birds didn't prepare very well, and some birds prepared perfectly. And then they started flying, and then our friend Sunny Dog scared everybody, but then he went back to bed. And then all the birds started flying, and that's where we stopped the story.
That's right, Tom.
And we're going to finish it tomorrow. So we say goodbye to all the boys and girls.
Okay, are we going to get that ice cream that you mentioned earlier?
Maybe if you eat all your dinner and you have to eat your vegetables.
Okay.
Okay, everybody.
Okay.
We're going to say goodbye now, and we'll speak to you tomorrow. Okay?
Bye, everybody.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.